Uh, yeah, hi. Myself, Ishwar Rao. I am from India, Hyderabad. So, thank you for giving this opportunity to participate in this hiring process. So, here is my project. So, based on the given requirements and the challenge, I designed this platform to convert your ideas into a executable plans with the agents. Okay, before going to actual how it will be work all those things, I want to give a brief introduction of this application, how it is going, how it will work all those things. So uh, it is an advanced multi-agent platform built using Next.js. It transforms high-level user ideas into a structured and a professional executable plans. And it have a features a conversational export observation means agent layer that asks you clarify questions before orchestrating a swarm of specialized agents. In this application use different agents. The first one is planary agent, insight agent, execution agent. These agents are used to generate actionable deliveries based on your idea, all those things. The main application of this the main features of the application is the first one is multi-turn chart interface means an initial interactive chart access the feasibility of idea. Once you submit your idea, the chart AI agent ask you some questions to get the clarity on your idea, what exactly you need, all those things. Then the other one is agentic swarm workflow. It can bypasses a basic single prompt AI generation. Instead, a pipeline of a specialized agent process, analyze and enrich the data quality, all those things sequentially. And the other feature is pixel perfect UI. I use for UX building. UI UX building. I use Tailwind CSS, Framer Motion, Ascendity UI, and Magic UI for stunning, premium, and high quality responsive user interfaces. The other feature is robust and export system. For this purpose, I am using native docs generation using XML parsing and visual effect PDF exports that preserve the authentic web styling utilizing client side Canva, all those things. The other feature is section level editing. It is one of the best feature in this application. Once you generate an end-to-end report based on your idea, you can have access to section level editing means specialized editing agent allows you redefinement the specific sections within the generated report without re-rendering the entire document, all those things. Like this, there are a lot of features in this application, and I can explain you in detail what is what, all those things. So for this application, I use different tech stack. For front end purpose, I use Next.js app router on React 19, and for styling purpose, I use Tailwind CSS and Global CSS, Ascendity UI and Magic UI and Primer Motion. Ascendity UI and Magic UI are the most advanced component based styling frameworks. I use that one. Then other one is a integration. For in this application, I used Google Generative AI. Why? Because it is a open source, so that's why I can choose this. Uh, for agent workflows, agent development, all those things, I use Google Gemini. The other one is document export. For this, we have a two different export format. The first one is document, and another one is PDF. For this, I used HTML to emails, HTML PDF JS, and the JS PDF to make our export formats more accurate, all those things. Now I can explain you how this architecture will works all those things by showing my GitHub repo, so you can understand exactly what is happening there. So this is my GitHub repo. So here when I go into architecture, So how this architecture works, how your end-to-end flow works, all those things I can explain you. The first one is architecture flow means uh, what is the folder structure of this application, all those things. First, this is my parent folder name, means this is my project name. In that I have a app. In that section I have created a API. Next.js automatically uh, uh, identify these APIs, all those things. This is one of the advantage in Next.js. So in this API, I divided a plan, edit, export, all those things. Plan means based on your idea and queries, it can plan your uh, Swarm architect and the chart, all those things. Edit API used for section level editing based on the AI reinforcement logic. Export API used for, you can export the report in two different formats. One is PDF format, another one is doc format. After that, these are the component section, means from I can import all the required components from the magic UI as well as SNET UI based on the requirement, all those things. Then I can created a library, a lib folder. Inside that I created agents. In this agents I have three agents. The first one is planner agent, insight agent, and execution agent. The planner agent deconstructs raw ideas into problems, stakeholders, all those things. Insight agent evaluate risk, generates a unique insights for you, and the execution agent synthesize the action plans, timelines, and budget. What is your scope? All those things it can decide. The other one is a Gemini agent. The Google Gemini bindings, prompt injection, guards, expert agents, all those things. The other one is orchestrate agent. uh, this purpose is orchestrates your sequential multi-agent pipeline, all those things. This one can handle all these three agents based on the requirement, all those things. This is the how architecture will works. When coming to how end-to-end works this application, so this is the diagram how the actually flow from end to end, from starting stage to ending stage, how it works, all those things. So here we have a different roles. The first one is user, means the end user person. The other one is, this is the objects, this is the agents. The first one is chart agent, means when the user submit project idea to the chart agent, the chart agent validates and summarize the input, it is correct or not. Once a chart agent get required information, then ask a question to user to clarify more information about your idea, all those things. Now user can provide the answers to the chart uh, agent questions. Once required answers are came from user to chart API, then this chart API start pipelining of orchestrator, means here the Swarm execution pipeline is started. Once it is started, the planner agent is planning your idea into based on your questionnaire answers and your idea, all those things. Once your planner agent is done, then insight agent is working on your input. I already explained what is planner agent, insight agent on the top. The another one is execution agent. This is the main thing. Based on these two, planner and insight agent, the execution agent is created a stunning report for you, all those things. Finally there is a option, export option. You can export the entire application into two different formats. The first one is PDF and the other one is doc format. Other one is one more agent is there, that is used for section level editing. If you want to edit anything in section level, you can just click on edit button in the section, you can edit what you want. I will show you that also. So these are the different features and how architecture works, how end-to-end flow will be uh, flow from one layer to another layer, all those things. So here are the different information, you can all those things for your reference. I can here put you some more information here. The other one is, yeah, this is the from my perspective, means engineering perspective. So These are the different criteria. Yeah. Now I will show you practical demo of this application from end to end flow. So this is the layout of the application with a simple UI and more perfect clarity, as well as it is a mobile friendly also. You can see here, I will inspect here. In any device it can be molded, and no pixel, uh, it can be molded in any device. You can see here, this is the one of the advantage of this application. So for more UI clarity, all those things, I use Shadshare and all those things. Now I will give you one idea to my agent. Build an uh, multi agent system for customer support, for order management, from online booking to doorstep. So this is my idea. I will give you to my agent. It will think about your idea, all those things. After a couple of seconds, it will ask you some questions regarding to your area to get more clarity from agent side. In background, parallelly running some agents. The first one is planner agent, the insight agent, execution agent. After that, based on the section edits, there is a one more agent, section edit agent, for editing section wise, based on your requiring. So here, the agent start, and it will uh, processing your request, means your idea, all those things. It will take a couple of seconds. For this, I use Gemini for agent orchestration, as well as AI agent development. Because of the Gemini AI is providing open source and a free cost of API keys to use their service. That's why I select this one. If you want, you can uh, develop this by using Cloud, OpenAI, Anthropic, all those things. The any one of the AI can you can use to develop end-to-end flow. And for more stylish CSS components, I use Satshian as well as Asynity UI for premium look, all those things. This is the basic layout only. Yeah, it will take a couple of seconds, why? Because the AI need to uh, understand the context, understand the project idea from idea to production level. Yeah, so it will ask you, if the given the agent gives you expert observation. Yes, I have completed. I have all the details you need to build your professional planning report. Now you click on this one, finalize executive report. Then the actual process is done. You can see here, this is the dashboard of the report. Here we have a different sections. You ask problem day breakdown, stakeholders, and solution approach, and action plan. After that, I will add you some more other sections. The first one, estimated timeline, budget estimate, infrastructure, product roadmap. Every section have a different feature. The first one is problem breakdown future. Means based on your idea, the AI will give you end to end how you need to solve this problem, what are the scenarios are there, all those things. And you can see these are the different sections, and every section have a enabled feature. You can copy this content, or you can edit the section. Means you have any idea, or you want to add more points to the section, all those things. You can give you, the agent will give you, add that information, all those things. Stakeholder solution and action plan. Estimated means how much amount is required, how much timelines are required for this project from end to end. and budget estimation. This is one of the section. It will gives you end to end how much cost you need to for this project. And infrastructure, what are the infrastructure you need to develop this platform, all those things it will available here. The project roadmap, this gives you end to end roadmap, how how you need to develop this from end to end, from beginning to production level, including testing, development, all those things. These are the different two options: export doc and export PDF. When I click on export PDF, it will download as this entire report as a PDF format. You can see here, you can see end-to-end information here. The other one is download export as a doc format. It is another format. You download this report, you can see the here. Yeah, this is the overall information of this project. So I think this expects your this project reach your expectations, all those things. Sometimes there is one fallback this application is why, because I am using Gemini API key, sometimes maybe it will show you your daily quota limit is over completed. Why? Because Gemini API gives you limited tokens only. So that is one of the fallback in this application. Except that one remaining is a production level grade end to end flow. Yeah, thank you, have a nice day, thank you so much.